Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use Tinkercad online. Just open tinkercad.com. Sorry, I spelled it wrong. Once you open the Tinkercad, you can see your profile and things available. You can do 3D designs, you can make circuits, program them, code blocks are there. Also lessons are there which help you creating your first 3D design or circuits. Let's go to circuits. Start with create new design. Hit the button. This will open a window. It's a platform where you can design your circuit and simulate them. This will start with a simple circuit where light and LED. Okay, these are the components available on the right hand side. You can see all the basic components are there. If you hit the all, it will show you all the components available in the Tinkercad. ICs, transistors, many more components, programmable boards. We'll go with the basics. This is an LED. Take LED. We'll take a resistor. Set value to 330 ohms, which is enough to run LED on 5 volts. We'll take a 9 volt battery. Now we'll wire them. This is a plus terminal. Connect your plus terminal to the resistor. You can also color code the wires from resistor to LED. Now I'll click negative terminal, wire it to the cathode of the LED. We color it black. Okay, let's start simulation. Here is a plus button which you can hit. You can see LED is glowing. Right now it shows current through the LED is 20.9 milliampere, while recommended is 20 milliampere. LED's lifetime will be reduced. Let's stop the simulation and try to increase resistor value. Let's make it 400 ohms. Let's see. Now the LED is glowing perfect. You can see that. So this is our first circuit through Tinkercad.